Everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing I Have No Internet, and this is the dinosaur game. Here we go. It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning, as you can see, because it's so dark around the computer. So everyone's got to be really quiet to not awaken the monster. Alright, here we go. Oh, for a second I thought the game wasn't even going to function. That would be very sad. Oh man, listen to that satisfying sound. The cactus. Oh my gosh, that was close. I'm only at 200. Oh, not even 200. Okay, we're at 200. I have these little baby keys. They suck. They're just so tiny, man. They're the tiniest little keys. I hate them, but they're at least pretty useful. Okay. Oh. We got birds flying in, 500 points on the counter, the clock, the the something timer. What is that? Score counter. Yeah. Oh, turned orange and black. Dude, this has got to be a sign of something like sinister. I mean, it is 3 in the morning. Anything could happen.